Hi there, welcome to Coffee with Coastal Cheryl. I have mine iced as always, and considering the season, it may have a little bit of pumpkin spice in it. Today I'm going to be doing the very first of a series of videos. I have had so many of you request videos exactly like this, because this is going to be all about home decor combinations. In other words, things that go great together. I mean, that is one of the keys to home decor, is finding stuff that works well together and just using it over and over. I remember when I first started decorating my house, eons ago, I would bring home something like a vase, and then I would be like, oh, this doesn't look good with any of my flowers. So I have learned to shop for things together right away, or chances are you put that vase away and you never use it. So let's get started. Today we're going to be looking at a lot of flameless candles, lanterns, candle holders, and trays that all look fabulous together. All right, first this little tray here. Since it is the season, I went ahead and added a few pine cones to that. I mean, it's so simple, it's so easy, and it's so cute. First, this tray is so affordable. Look at this. It's all wood. It has metal around the edge. I love it for fall decor, by the way, but I just love it all year long. Isn't that pretty? And again, I added some pretty pine cones. I will also have those linked. And this is the flameless candles I was talking about. I will show you how to use these in several different pieces and how they all look a little different according to how you use them. This particular ones right here, they come in a small, a medium, and a large. I ordered all three for this one. They come in two colors. One color is ivory. I don't really know why they called it ivory. It's more kind of like cream or off-white. That is this one, and they also have them in white. There's not that much of a difference, but I will show you the difference. But these are lovely flameless candles. You can turn them on or off, just the simple switch on the bottom. And they also have a feature where you can turn them on for 4 hours and they automatically go off. I keep saying I'm going to film these at night so I can share it with you. You guys, I wish you could see how these do look at night. I am going to video that, but these are just gorgeous. You would swear that's a real candle. By far, my favorite flickering candles. I mean, put batteries in them and you're ready to go. And again, I'm going to be showing you how I've used these in several different pieces along the way. But look at this combination. Isn't that cute? And when fall's over, take out the pine cones and you've still got really a pretty combination. Now, let me show you here. I love these. If you follow me on Amazon or Instagram, you've seen this cloche set. Perfect for fall. I actually bought these last fall and thought, well, I'll use these for fall and then I'll put them away. But I love them so much, I use them all year long. They're from Stonebriar. They have wood bases, just a simple wood base. And this top is metal, and it even actually feels kind of rusty. And I didn't know if I would like them because that's a little more rustic than I like. I thought, because I love them. I think they look wonderful. Now remember those candles? Here is a small. I'll just slip it on. And look what a difference that makes already. And here is the large. I would definitely get two different sizes because it looks better. I know it's funny because on the photo, if you click on it, they show the same size candles and it's like, that just looks weird. But look at this. Again, this is the ivory candles, this is the small, and this is a large. And look what a great combination that is. Now, speaking of combinations, this tray, it's like my go-to tray. Look at this tray. It's from Creative Co-op. Look, first how big it is. I love this tray. You've seen this one before if you follow me. It has a beaded edge. It's a nice sturdy tray. It goes with everything. Now look how fabulous these look on it. Just put them on there and you're done. I love this combination. Again, it's kind of rustic, kind of farmhouse. I think it's so pretty. Also works for coastal. I love this combination. Now, if you don't want to put the cloche set in a tray. I do this one a lot with this. I just took these off my entry cabinet. In fact, I just did a YouTube video. It's my last video, so go check it out. I did 2 accent cabinets in my house. I did one rustic with this kind of stuff, actually all of these pieces, and then I did one glam with all kinds of really pretty white fall decor. So check that out, rustic and glam on my last video. But look at this. Are these, I mean, these just work. I started putting these together before I even realized they're from the same company. No wonder they work. I mean, they just have the same sort of tones in them. Look at the browns. This clock is truly lovely. It has a glass front on it. It's really a nice quality clock. It runs on batteries. It says Grand Central Station, New York on it. I love it for fall, especially because I just love the warm tones. But again, you can use this all year long, and I love the way it looks with this cloche set. Let's get my Yeti out of the way. Isn't that a great combination? You just cannot go wrong with these. Again, this one is a no-brainer. It just works. Now, moving along. Now let's pull that tray back. I'm going to show you how else I love to use that tray. Again, simple tray. Look at this. This is so pretty. I love this. Again, this is the same candles. Now this is the white ones. Again, small, medium, and large. But isn't that cute? It's just so simple, but look how well it works. These are whitewashed wood, as is the tray. So again, you could use the ivory candles, but I chose the white just to bring out a little more white. But I love this combination. So pretty. Look at these candle holders. They come just individually, unfortunately. I wish they were a set, but they come individually, small, medium, and large, just like the candles. And then when I place them on here, I actually did the large candle on the large holder, medium, medium, small, small. And I think that's really a nice look. And I use these again. Hang on, and I'll show you how I use these again. But let me show you. From the same company, it's almost the same tray, but a different color. And what really bumps me out is sometimes this one's out of stock. So I will add the link, but hopefully it's not out of stock. Again, it's the same beaded whitewash effect, same nice sturdy wood, same size, same company. I love this one. I don't know which one I like better. I kind of go back and forth, but they're both great trays. Now you could, let me just show you. You could do this. Remember, I just showed you the brown tray. You could do it with the white tray too. Again, it's a great combination because these are all whitewashed and they're all wood. Whitewashed wood with whitewashed wood. I mean, and then the candles pull out a little more white of the tray. Really a nice combination. And then, look at this next one. This is really cute too. I just bought this little guy. If you're looking for just really simple, isn't that adorable? Look at this lantern. Again, this is from Stonebriar also. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the finish. It's distressed. It is glass. That's all texture glass. It's so pretty. It does not come with a candle, but I will go ahead and link the candle also. See? You just put the candle in there. This is also a flameless candle, and it actually comes with a remote. So you do this once and you're done. You can just run it from the remote, but how cute is that with this tray? A totally different look than the candle holders, but again, you're using flameless candles. But I just love, you know, again, the mix and match. It's so easy. They all work. All right. Now look at this one. I'm so excited about this because I just got these, you guys. And again, if you go watch my last video, you will see I use these in my glam cabinet. Again, I did a rustic cabinet and I did a glam cabinet, both two different cabinets, both for fall. And these were definitely featured in that. Are these gorgeous? I mean, when you're talking about lanterns, candle holders, I love these. I cannot wait to use these for Christmas. And you know, it's a little early to do that. So I've been using them for fall already. Now let me show you what I did. These are 2 to a set, by the way. They open real easy. There's actually glass on the door. I mean, they're so pretty. If you go to the link, there's actually another shape, but this was my favorite shape. But you can see what the other shape is. I think it's more squared, but I love this one. All right, now remember the holders we used earlier? Now, again, in this case, I was just gonna put the candle in there. I thought, you know, it might look pretty with a candle holder. So what I did is I took the medium holder, right? Medium holder, and then the smallest candle. So remember that, medium holder, small candle. And I put it right in here. I mean, how pretty is that? And you wouldn't have to, you could just put the candle right in there. You could put, you know, obviously the large candle in there. But I love the look of this. It is so pretty. And then when the candle's on at night and reflecting against that glass, it's just beautiful. And then in this one, I used just the medium candle. So pretty. I love neutral fall decor. Again, I've done lots of fall decor videos. Go check those out. And these, again, were just featured in my last video, which again, I did step by step. I did 2 cabinets, one rustic fall decor and one glam fall decor. And these were featured in the glam fall decor. So I hope you guys have found this useful. Again, a lot of this stuff you can just mix and match, so it's nice. You don't have to have as much home decor accessories around, because a lot of these you can mix and match with each other, and that's always nice. You know, it saves a little bit on the spending. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, of course. I would love it if you subscribe. Lots more of these coming. I get so many messages on this stuff that's like, what can I put with this? Like, what goes with what? That's always the question I'm asked. Not quite like that, but that's what it is. What goes with what? Well, I'm going to be showing you in this series of videos. So stay tuned. I'll see you next time.